Alright guys, so did you know that you can create amazing photo manipulation on ChatGPT by just giving it cool and easy prompts? So apart from your popular trending Ghibli cartoon art style and some other cartoon art style you're seeing online, you can create amazing photo manipulations using ChatGPT by just giving it short sentence of prompts. So let's get started. So let's start with our first example, which is product manipulation. Okay, so I had an image of a Fanta can and another reference image of this Maui can. All right, so I wanted a product manipulation of my Fanta in this form. You get having this whole look and everything. So usually, as a designer or a creative, you have to go to Photoshop or any other editing software and start adjusting. But using ChatGPT, we had just had to give it a prompt. So what is the prompt I use? I said create a product manipulation of the image on the right. The right is my reference, using the image on the left as a reference. Also make the background a summer tropical feel with the sun and yellow ambience. Alright, so after giving this prompt, so I waited for few seconds and it generated this amazing output. You can see the details, everything, the sun, like the editing is just amazing. So I'll show you how to add two images on ChatGPT in case you want to reference another image with another image. So I'll just show you the example now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to add two images on ChatGPT for reference sake. So first of all, you click on this plus icon here, then you go to photos, then you go to albums and look for your particular folder where you have your picture. So you click on the first image, then click on done. So I click on the second image and click on done. Alright, so you wait for your images to load. So once it loads, it become like this. So for reference sake, your first image is your image on the left, then your Fanta image is your image on the right. So once you are giving your prompt, make sure you make reference to the position. If you are talking about the first image, you say left. If you are talking about the second image, you say right. So that will help the AI, which is ChatGPT, understand what you are saying properly. So once your images are ready, then you input your prompt and you have your generated image ready. So I'll also attach the prompts I use in the description section. So let's go on to our next photo manipulation example. Alright, so the next area of photo manipulation using ChatGPT is how to create a mockup. Alright, so I added my two reference images, which is an image of a pattern, then a white plain t-shirt. So I simply gave it this prompt as seen on the screen. I said create a mockup on the right picture using the pattern on the left image. Blend all shadows appropriately. So after giving it this prompt, then it gave me this output of our t-shirt. So I'll rate this an 80 over 100 because it didn't really get all the shadows appropriately, but I mean it did a nice job. Something I would have taken at least 5 minutes, but it just used about a minute to generate that. So far that's good. So let's look at the next aspect of photo manipulation on ChatGPT. Alright, so we're going to be learning how to create a logo mockup using ChatGPT. Yeah, I bet most of you didn't know you could do this. So first of all, I added our two reference images. Then I gave it a prompt. I said, create a logo mockup of the image on the right, using the image on the left as a reference. So it loaded and came up with this amazing design. Like, this is mind blowing. I didn't really expect it to be almost this nearly perfect to get. Apart from the texture, which is on the original mockup, the rest things are absolutely like the same. The shadows and everything. Like, this is a, I don't know, this is just a good development from ChatGPT. Instead of maybe 5 minutes walking around with a mockup, you can do this in less than 1 minute. Yeah, but note this wouldn't take away jobs from graphic designers or creative. It only makes our job faster. So I advise you, if you've not tried out the ChatGPT image generator, you can try it out. Play around with the prompts, create prompts by yourself, use your creative ideas, create things by yourself. Nobody will take away your job from you if you don't move on the trend. Yeah, so if you had fun and learned one or two things watching this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share.